Hello tourists, welcome to my channel Tour Guide Jeff TV. Thanks for watching. Mabuhay!
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tour Guide Jeff TV. So as you can see po, magpasakay kami ng guest sa kaya. Magpasakay kami ng guest ngayon papuntang Biglogon. Ito rin ang kasama ko. Tox! Hi! Tox! Hello! Kasama ko Tox. Kapitan Ronel. Yeah. Taga-paddle ko din. Prado. Guest ko. Galing sa France. Where are you looking, sir?
She want chewing gum.
Chewing gum?
Yes, she have nausea.
Ah, okay. Inside is not rough. It's
Yes,
very
yes.
calm.
No, because of the pregnancy.
Ah, okay, okay. Do you have chewing gum?
No, no,
You don't have?
it's okay, it's okay.
Mayroon kayo? Bubble gum? Chewing gum? Wala. Ikaw, may bubble gum ka? Wala. Sir? Next.
Thank you.
Abante ang kayak daw. Abante kamay. Okay. Up, up, up. Relax. Just balance. Sir, your paddle, sir. Your paddle. Go. You have to go.
Thank you.
Go first, sir. Just like that, sir.
Bébé.
Sir, Nado, like that. Straight.
This
Yeah,
way?
yeah. Yeah. Go, dalaw, go. Kalisod na, oh. Sakit yung tail ba? Diyan mo, go.
See you tomorrow.
Subscribe niyo sa akong sa akong subscribe niyo, naligo na isa. Subscribe niyo sa YouTube, ha. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Pasok kami sa ngayon, Biglogon. Timing yung pako, okay? Sumakit yung pako. Timing, kailangan ko ng backup. Sakit ko yung pako. Pasok kami ngayon, Biglogon. Sama ko yung pamangkin ko. Claro. Yes. Kalimot eh, pinangkot na. Alright. Nag-vlog ako sa kanila. Habang nag-vlog, video. Dubol. Lugat. Kasama ko. Welcome to Big Lagoon. I'm doing double vlog. Double vlog. Look at Big Lagoon. Ayan guys, ganito lang yung trabaho ng tour guide. Yan. Kailangan may backup ka talaga kaya sagwan. Wow.
Là, la caméra de... Voilà, elle est enceinte, elle vient au Big Lagoon pour faire du kayak. C'est bien.
Yeah. Welcome to the beautiful nature of Big Lagoon. This is one of the highlights tour in El Nido. Yes, later, sir. But we go first to the over there, sir, on the left side.
Okay.
We go first there. Unahin sila, Fred. Unahin. Just follow us. Just follow me. We go first to the tunnel cave. I show you the tunnel cave on the left side, over there, other side. Yeah, we're going to like it's like underground river.
Okay. Ah, okay,
Yeah, we
okay.
go there. Ano ko muna sila, ipasyal ko sila doon sa parang cave ba? Tunnel cave. Human drone. Yeah. I'm only camera to double camera. Double camera, guys. Dire Brad sa contact. Sa wala. Oh, dia. Straight lang ka, anak. Lang, anak. Just follow me, sir. Nado. Just follow kami. Punta kami dun sa ano, parang kuiba. Tunnel cave. Oo, na sila gamay pa. Antay natin. Antay natin. Ulaton sa namo sila, ulaton. Okay. Pasok kami dito, guys. Yes, sir. Here on the left side.
Okay.
Straight. Mukhang bagay lang ko. No people here. Straight like that, sir. Straight. Look at. Oh, na sila, Pet. All right.